Hello and welcome to Socialmonkee. Are you tired of spending hours building backlinks to your site with few to no results? Are you struggling to get your pages to rank at the top of search engine results? Well, we have a quick and easy solution that could well be the missing part of your puzzle. Introducing Socialmonkee version 2. Build 25 do-follow backlinks to your pages every day and boost your existing backlinks for better search engine rankings and more traffic. This is the easiest and fastest way to skyrocket your search engine rankings. The best part is, Socialmonkee requires such a small investment to join, it is almost free. So why bother with the fee at all? Well, not only to cover our growing hosting and maintenance expenses, but also to make sure all members who join are legitimate members and no one tries to game the system. We only want to work with people who are serious about their online business. And the good news is, you can now make commissions on referral upgrades, which means Socialmonkee not only helps you build and index backlinks, it also helps you make money. Building and indexing backlinks with Socialmonkee. With Socialmonkee, you can submit a URL to 25 social bookmarking sites every single day. That's 25 do-follow backlinks every day. As we all know, more backlinks equals better search engine rankings, which equals more traffic, leads, and sales. Imagine being able to get 25 do-follow backlinks, all from different sites on different IP addresses. That's unique, quality backlinks. This is a great opportunity for you to build up to 750 backlinks to your pages every month. And if you feel that this is not enough for you, make sure you check out our upgraded memberships after signing up. You may be asking how Socialmonkee works. Well, it's simple. You install our Firefox or Chrome plugin. Once you're on the page you want to promote, click the monkey head in your add-on bar. The Firefox plugin, and also now Chrome, will pre-populate the fields for you. It'll check the URL, title and description, then you choose a category, you hit preview and submit. Or you can submit a URL from the members area with our online submission form. We even integrated a couple of content spinning solutions for you, as well as a backlink indexing solution. The best spinner and spin rewriter to spin your descriptions in a snap, and backlinks indexer to get all your backlinks indexed faster. The idea behind Socialmonkee is not only to build backlinks to your pages, but also to build backlinks to existing backlinks. That's two-tier backlink building, which is a quick and easy way to boost your existing backlinks. So your Socialmonkee links will point to your existing backlinks, which point to your site. The power of driving some good backlinks to your current backlinks can make all the difference. Now you're probably wondering what sort of investment you'll have to make to get in. But first, let me tell you a short story. I was in Basel, Switzerland the other day. I was waiting for my train and decided to get a cappuccino. I paid 750 Swiss francs, which at the current exchange rate is $8.25, for the small, watery half coffee, half milk beverage that I didn't enjoy at all. I only had a few sips, it was that bad. But guess what? You can get in Socialmonkee for even less than what I paid for this awful coffee. That's right, you can get in for an insanely low one-time investment of only $7. That's less than an expensive cappuccino in some places for a service that allows you to build 750 do-follow backlinks every month. We can't be sure how long we'll leave it at only $7, and we might put it up to $47 in the near future. So join now and start building backlinks to your sites and links today. We know that it is worth more than a pizza. Heck, it's your business for goodness sake. So with that in mind, we offer 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you feel that this service is not for you, we are happy to arrange a refund for you. So join us without fear of loss. Simply fill in the form below and get ahead of the pack, starting now.